My name is Andres Rodriguez. I'm with Smart Cane. The problem that we wanted to solve was a cane for the blind. We talked to a few blind people in the blind community over here at Ruston Center for the Blind, and one of the problems that they said they had was when they drop the cane on the ground, they kind of have trouble finding it. You can't just bend down because you'll be disoriented, and you kind of just have to like foot around for it, find it with your foot, and then pick it up. So we decided to make a product that would really help that. So we made Smart Cane. So we made this with 3D print this housing right here. We had a clip design. The clip just broke as of shooting this 5 seconds ago, which is very unfortunate, but the clip went on there and it was a universal clip design. We used 3D printing for the prototype, and then we used an accelerometer, an RF receiver, an Arduino Nano R4, and a piezo speaker. And how it worked is it took the accelerometer data and recorded fall, and when it had an acceleration moment, it detected that moment and logged it and said, hey, this is a fall, wait 5 seconds, and after 5 seconds, it'll sound off an alarm. Also, alternatively, was the RF controller, which has a button that you can just press at any time for non-drop situations. So if it hasn't dropped and you're just looking for it around the house, you can find it then. One of the main reasons that we wanted to do this was there's not a lot of products like this out there. Some of the competitors on the market are like the WeWalk and stuff like that, but they are easily over around $600 to $1,200, and they're very expensive, and nobody really would be wanting to just spend $1,000 for something this small, and it's just unnecessary expense. So that's what we made it. Ours is priced at $82.38. So it's much cheaper, much cheaper. And our future plans would be to replace the RF controller with a Bluetooth and a Bluetooth widget you can drop down, or you can say, hey Siri, find my cane. We would also want to develop the housing to be weatherproof. We would need to we really want to get it smaller, which would really be done with the mass production with injection molding, which we could use our own PCB, and that would really get the size down to fairly small that would fit on this cane, and it would be very lightweight. Right now it is extremely lightweight. It's just big enough to fit all the prototyping materials, and it works really good for what it is. We're really proud of it. That's Smart Cane.